Right, where are we going?
Oh, we're rolling.
Yeah.
It's only taken us a morning. What now? Should I go in the middle?
Probably. It's probably best, unfortunately.
Hello.
We've been doing that for the last 10 seconds.
Yeah, well, we've been waiting, haven't we?
Ooh. Hello guys, welcome back, and we're all together again. JP doesn't like working.
He doesn't like any.
When we do workshop activities, he does not like it, do you?
No.
He'd rather just be lazy and go driving around in cars and giving crap reviews.
Yeah, very informative reviews.
Anyway, it's finally ready, isn't it?
Yep.
The Tipo turbo engine is finally ready to go into the Tipo, and today, hopefully, by the time we finish, the engine will be in.
It will be in.
It will be in.
Yeah,
So while it's taken a couple of weeks, but the turbo got sent off. It's been hybrid.
Yep.
So hybrid turbo. We put brand new clutch in it. That took a while to arrive as well. It's got loads of nice new bits on it. JP, do you want to get the camera and show them what it looks like?
The intro.
Oh, this is the intro.
Let's get it. Come on, boys. Let's do it. I actually I don't want to be here all day.
Don't you? You're here to do.
Skip.
You're here to work.
Skip.
You're done when the job's done. See that?
Can you edit? I picked my nose. You have to edit that.
No,
out.
it's staying in. You do realise that I've now found how to zoom in on people's faces.
Yeah,
so
don't do that or you're sacked.
sacked. I haven't even got a contract. You can sack someone who's not employed.
You see that coupe out the back?
I see that a bath around the back.
Oh, there's a lot of leverage there, but you got to be careful. Right, come on then. Let's do it.
All right,
I've got a lot of footage that gets cancelled. I laughed.
Right, let's get this engine in. Hey, it's only 6 bolts and it's in.
We're going to be here all night because
This ain't
it's only
JP's
6
car.
bolts.
This is not JP's car.
I know, but you said it's only 6 bolts. Was it?
We could do it. We can do this.
6 bolts later.
Oh, you want to see what it looks like? Look at that. Looks really pretty, doesn't it? How cool does that look? Yeah.
Put your hands up and your pants down.
Right. Come on then.
Yes.
I need to get this chain around.
So what have we got left to do before we're ready to put the engine in?
Nothing.
Dan's worked on something this morning. What have you done this morning?
Well, apparently nothing, but I did the oil.
I mean, you didn't have to pull it back on.
I haven't.
Oh,
But basically,
I'll pass it then. I'll put it to one
we
side.
had to make an oil cooler fit, and we didn't have an oil cooler that fit because JP ordered it, and now we do.
You told me specifications.
Well done, Dan.
AN10. I give you AN10. Did not specify thread pitch.
Stop following me.
Wait for you to pick your nose again.
I got bad hay fever, and I want to sneeze. Oh.
Not near us.
Who
Told you. Guess my
was that? Who?
Guess my
Copied in. You want him to do a sneeze like that? Look. Stop bullying me. You're not meant to bully me. I'm the boss.
That was a hybrid turbo, wasn't it?
This
Look, JP, we're
is
doing the work, and you're not.
That's because I prepped it and it's all near enough in the right spot where it needs to go, mate. See? We made it easy for you guys.
Oh, we need a Jubilee for that.
Yeah.
Jubilee for the matrix pipes as
And
well.
then where the horns. Where's the spade one? Is that? Oh, that's it there, isn't it?
One
You
wire
cut it.
broke.
Yeah, you cut it. There it is. So that goes like that. That
One
goes
wire
like
broke.
that.
No, you cut it.
Did I cut it? Well, it broke either way. The bit that needs to be on the end is not on the end anymore.
Well, you could do this bit and make it neat and put it in there. I know you like
Just need to do
wiring.
that rear gearbox mount as well, because that's kind of
I
important.
need the bolt for that.
Well, it's not a problem. I'll cut it. Where's the grinder?
Right, so what are we doing now?
You do this section, the spade connector on the alternator, put the power on the alternator, then put it into its clips, make that neat.
I did want to try and do the wiring at the back of the engine.
What first?
Kind of.
Just do this first, because it's there, isn't it? And then we'll work at the back. And then I need to find the bolt that goes here. Wash my hands.
Cut.
So, little update. JP, little update.
Reverse light.
We're just doing the wiring for the reverse light.
Yes. Yes, as the connector's different on the
Whoop.
Tipo loom to the coupe loom.
Yeah.
So,
And guys, look what's in. We just created a Tipo turbo. Oh, look at that. It's in. And we're just wiring it all in. This has been quite fun actually, isn't it? I've enjoyed this.
yeah, I think should have labelled the wiring a bit better.
I blame you then.
Yeah, I blame myself. I thought, oh, it'd be quite easy. Everything can sit where it needs to.
It's not bad,
Nah, we're cracking on.
isn't it? Most of it's been plug and play, isn't it?
Yeah.
We'll have to just figure out wiring for the starter motor in it.
Yeah, no, that's easy enough. Right, that's that. That's that.
It
That's
looks really
that.
nice in there though.
It's coming together slowly. Slowly, slowly.
Much, much, much later.
Moment of truth, innit?
Can you remember what button it was for the alarm?
Oh, God. No.
Don't worry.
The button's a hammer.
So do you know what this car's doing? You know the clocks?
Don't care about the clock.
Yeah.
Battery light is like on, ignition off, so the key's here.
Yeah.
Battery light is... Yeah, something's not right.
It's not wired in properly yet.
The alarm fob's not even flashing.
Oh, it's probably not. It's probably not, is it? Turn it all off. Turn it all off.
Yeah, it's off.
But I wonder if it's cutting connections because I need to actually plug in the ECU.
Oh, there's no ECU in here. Hey Dan, come and look at this.
Cut.
And stuff working. Whoop. The temperature needle though, has fucking gone off the scale.
Probably not plugged in.
Now it's gone back to 50. Oh, here we go. This looks promising. Oh, this fucking alarm.
Let me know before you turn it so I can prepare myself.
Yeah, one sec. All right, okay.
Oh, fuck. Jesus.
Ready?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going for it. Oh no, the alarm's come back on. We're gonna have to remove that shit. All right, ready?
Maybe.
Way!
Was there any oil in that engine?
Right, let's put the coils in. Let's just fucking go for it.
Han,
Yeah?
seriously,
What?
is there any oil in that engine?
Well,
I can't believe it turned over on the key.
Sweet.
right, do you want to stop the video?
There is oil in the engine, just so everyone's clear.
Is there?
Yes.
Oh yes, plenty.
Yes.
So this bit has been a bit of a long-winded part, hasn't it, guys?
Yes.
We weren't getting any spark, were we?
Nope.
But we have figured it out
We have.
Because JP read a book.
again.
Where is big book this time?
Where is it?
Where is it?
It's on the
Go and get the Bible.
I mean, big Bible. So basically, we know that the coils power on obviously when you turn the ignition on. On the coupe, it's here in the middle at the back, travels all the way down, and then it goes into this here, which goes into the steering rack column. So that's where it turns on when you put the ignition on. That wiring is different on this car, however, because of the original coil pack for the Tipo is here. So when you turn the ignition on, you get 12 volts down the end one here. We don't need any of this stuff. So what we've done is, the stuff that powers on the ignition from the coupe is here. So what we're doing is wiring from there to there, so it turns on with the ignition and job done. To which we have just tested it and it does work.
Science.
Books.
I'm still shocked that JP can read.
So we now have a spark. We tidied up that wiring and I think it's probably
Call it a day.
call it a day. So we
It's
might-
been a real good day.
Shall we do outro different than that?
Thank you guys for watching. We've just created a turbo Tipo.
Well, we've got ignition and we've got crank. We haven't got fuel.
Yeah, but we've created a turbo Tipo. Look, there's an engine in there of a turbo inside a Tipo. So, turbo Tipo.
Fiat TT.
Do you want to get a video of it sparking?
I mean, we can do.
Yeah? Alright, give me 2 minutes then.
Right, come back in a minute once Dan's played with his heat gun.
Is one ready with the power? Lights,
Yeah, yeah.
camera, action. Oh, hang on. Oh, bitch.
Lovely.
Did you see a spark? I didn't. Can we just test something? Can I disconnect the earth?
Okay.
Tell me if there's still a spark.
Yeah,
There was.
There, like that.
it was sparking up the other end of the spark plug.
You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's sparking. Well, on that note, and on that note, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit.
Just dropped everything.
We did it.
Yeah.
So, we got a spark. It's turning over. Next week it will be fuel.
Yeah.
Well done, my boy.
Well done, my boy. Let's pack up.
Pub.
Oh, that's good. That's major progress.
An absolute dog wank.
Good morning, everybody. We film every Saturdays. Yeah. I've got that yellow one over there, but that one I'm definitely going to strip.